The E63 and E64 6 series had a slight renovation at the middle of 2007, around August. All those developments, such as front LED turn signals, rear full LED taillights, and a very sexy facelift bonnet. These LEDs look like they were in an elephant's ass, so I need a lot of time to clean them thoroughly.
That is one big pile of shit.
How it would work.
So basically what you are going to do, you will use up the long wire from your old blinker assembly to bypass it with two resistors written on the paper. It should be 2 times 4 watts. But you can also turn off the light jack in your module. So the short wire is going to actually power up your LED. Number 1 is the positive, so your blue wire goes to number 1. That gives the voltage. For the number 2, you grab your angel eye positive cable and you connect to it. And number 1 and number 2 should be interconnected with these number 4 connection by 2 diodes written in the paper. And the positive and the red side polarity of the diode should go towards terminal number 4. Terminal number 3 is the brown ground wire from your short wire. And that's it, basically. The best would be for the whole facelift project is that you would buy light module 2.0 and factory compatible for these LED LCI front headlights, blinkers and tail lights for the 6 series.